sale. So Walgreens is kind of a little bit slow this week. Usually January always is, so there's nothing to go out and get it. But here you guys see the deals of the week. They got Dawn and Ajax and Complete Home for 99 cents. That Ajax is $1 when it's regular priced. You're not really saving anything. They do have Dove for $5.99. There's going to be a 3 off a 3 digital coupon. Crest $2.99, and then you get a $2 register reward when you buy 2. It all depends on what we're going to have for digitals, because there are no paper coupons unless we get some in our inserts. But otherwise, we'll just rely on digitals. They do have Kellogg's cereal for $1.99. We are getting $1 off a 2 digital coupon. Plus, there's insert coupons, there's printables, but you guys can get both boxes for $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece if you guys need to do that. Now here they have the soda, the pop. Now it's $6.49. They used to have it at $6.19. Now it's $6.49. So you guys would pay $13 for 3 packs of soda if you guys need to do that. I usually say wait and go somewhere else and get it, but it's up to you guys if you need to do that. Blue Diamond is buy one, get one free. We do have $1 off a 2 in the 11/22 Smart Source if you guys need to go ahead and use that. I forgot to check when that date ends, but in case you guys do need that. Now here we got the Purex for $1.99. There are some Ibotta deals, but I don't know if it's for Walgreens. It might be just for Walmart, but hopefully there are some Ibotta deals. L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $8. We have 4 off of 2 coupons, digital coupons, printable coupons. There was a $3 one, I think. I can't remember, but then there's that 2 off of 2, so you guys would just get these for $1 a piece if you need to do that. Persil, $2.99 after a $2 off coupon. There's going to be 1 digital. Gillette they range from $9.99 to $12.99. We're getting $3 off digital coupons, plus you get a $4 register reward when you buy one. So if you buy the $9.99 one, it'll come out to be $2.99 if you need to go ahead and stock up on that stuff. Vitamins, a lot of them are buy one, get one 50% off, buy one, get one free. There are some coupons, especially for Nature Made. Centrum, there's coupons 1 a day. Flintstone, lots of coupons that you guys can mix and match. You just can't use coupons on the freebies. But if there is a coupon where it's like $1 off a 2, you can use a coupon for that. Sorry, I just get so tired when I do these videos because I'm just talking non-stop. So more medicines and all that stuff. Nothing really popping out unless you guys really need some stuff. But if you need to take a break, January is the month to take a break. That's all I'm going to say. Diapers, you get a $5 register reward when you buy 3. Stay Free Playtex, buy one, get one 50% off, and you get 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Here we have the Colgate Toothpaste. It says dental care. We are getting $1 off coupon, so you get a $5 register reward when you guys spend $10 or more. So it all depends on what we can do with that. The Crest or Oral-B, it looks like you get a $5 cash rewards when you buy 2. Like I said, I don't know what we're getting for coupons for that. Totally forgot to do this deal, but the soft soap, they're 2 for $8. Now, it says 75 cents, but I swear I thought in the inserts we were getting $1. If you get $1, you guys want to use 2 of them, you would pay $6, but then you get that $3 register reward, making them $1.50 a piece. Yeah, so $6. $1.50 a piece. If you don't get the $1 coupon, you want to get the 75 cents. It comes out to be $1.75 a piece. So not the freebies that we used to get. They've gone down a little bit, but still wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Here we got the next area. We have the Nivea, Cetaphil, Eucerin, Vaseline, Gold Bond. The Nivea coupons, we did get some $3 off coupons. They're buy one, get one 40% off. And then when you spend $15 or more, you get a $3 register reward. Plus, you guys definitely want to check out what we have for apps. I know Nivea, there's a rebate with Ibotta, and Cetaphil, there is a rebate with Ibotta that you guys definitely want to check. Now, Revlon, they are buy one, get one 50% off. I do know we have coupons out there for it, but I don't know. I can't remember if we have coupons for the lip balm, but usually those are like $4.99, so there could be an okay deal with that. Then you get a $3 register reward when you buy 2 of them. So depending on what we can add to the coupon, with the coupon, you definitely want to do that. Now we have these Gillettes for $19.99 with a $3 off coupon, making them $16.99, and then you get a $5 off register reward. So not the greatest deal, but sometimes buying the big packs is okay. The Venus and Gillette, I do know we have, I think, $3 off coupons in the P&G. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and you get a $4 register reward when you buy 2. The Schick, looks like we might be possibly getting coupons in our inserts. I'm not 100% positive, but hopefully there are some printables. But here, if you spend $20 or more, you'll get a $5 cash reward, so $5.99. We'll have to figure out what we can do for a scenario like that. But yeah, and we're just going to keep on going. Photos, games, all that stuff. Cleaning products, they have these at buy 3, get 1 free. So you guys would basically pay, I think, $12 and for all 4 of them. That's like $3 a piece, I think it comes out to be. So if you need to do that. Palmolive, $1.49 after a 50-cent off coupon. And then I guess, no, it's the next page. We did have some printable coupons for Pace or Taco El Paso. So if you guys need some of that stuff, go for it. The bags are back again at buy 1, get 2 free. So if you guys need to stock up on bags, go for it. Crackers, 2 for $6. Oreos, 2 for $7. Cheez-Its, 2 for $5. Valentine's Day candy, the Russell Stouffer's are $6.99. There is going to be a digital coupon for buy 4, get 1 free. You guys would end up paying $2.76 or just get 5 of them for 55 cents a piece. They do have the Haribo 2 for $2. Now we are getting, there are some rebates with Ibotta that you guys can stack with that. So some of them might even come to be $1. So hopefully we can get some good deals, or the stores have them in stock for that. And then there's just the last page, which is just, it won't go to it, but it's like a couple bottles of alcohol. So nothing really sticking out. So this week is going to be kind of an off week. It's going to be a slow week, which is totally fine. If you guys need certain items, definitely go for it. But like I said, it's a slow week, just because it's always like that in January. But I'm going to try to find some deals with you guys, even if they're repeaters of what we've done in the past couple of weeks. Still want to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.